Right, we are still on set 3 A max polynomial. We are now doing equality of polynomial. Alright, practice 2. Right, so when you sub x equals to 1, sometimes you're not sure, you can just try. You see that 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So this thing is 0 already. So then you work out lor. 1 plus 3 plus a minus 1. Work out your calculator. 3 plus a equals 0. A equals -3. How many of you got this? Other method, okay? Now, so similarly, I will let x be what? My favorite number is 0. Can I use 0? Yes. Now let's try. 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 1. Favorite, favorite. Cause all 0. This one? 0 minus 1. 0 plus b. 0 plus 2. Next one. -1 equals to what? -1 times plus 2. Uh-oh. Because the answer is half, is it? Who wrong? I wrong or you all got 2? Can you help me look at the mistake? No use. A times x is 0, so still choose 0. One times -1 times b times 2. -2b. Correct leh. Oh my god. Okay, let me do the expansion method, Can I show the expansion method? How many of you do expansion method? Okay. Huh? So I get a equals to half, a equals to -3, b equals to half. Now let me pause the video now and then I do the expansion first, then I record. Now, so I continue. After expansion, I continue. Now, notice that this is not the preferred method for this question because I'm going to expand this and I have altogether 8 terms. 8 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I do one wrong, all wrong already. But if I have done this, I want to compare. Would you compare x cubed? Answer is no. Why? Nothing to compare. 1 is equal to 1. Compare what? Would you compare x squared? Can, right? Can you compare x? Definitely, right? Can you compare the number? Do you see number is simple? Do you see number is simple? So how do you write? So can you copy what I write? Compare x to the power of what? 0. X to the power of 0 is known as number, right? So what do you write on the left hand side? -1. I am referring to this and this. Do you follow? Like -1 on the left side. The right side is -2b. So what is b? Half. Now, I want to compare with a. A is x. Definitely, I got to compare all the x's. So what do I write? Compare x. What do I write? A equals to what? 2b minus 2 minus b. Do you follow? Do you know how I write like that? Yeah, I need to sub in b. Mingyuan, this is ax, right? So compare the coefficient. That means I only write a. Right, I got 2bx. So I write 2b. I got 2x. I write -2. I got bx. I write -b. So what do? You sub in b equals to half. Huh? So what got the answer? 1 minus 2. Huh? What's the answer? Oh, must be the same as the two answer. A is negative 3, right? Where did I do wrong? Where do I do wrong? That's bad. 1 minus 2 minus half. Where did I do wrong? Class, can you help me check my expansion? Is it correct? Then what is wrong? I don't. Yeah, hybrid method. So can I talk about hybrid method? Can I talk about, okay, wait, the checking part later. Wait, can I talk about the hybrid method, Jing Feng? Can, Now, for hybrid method, it works like that. For comparing, right, it is always easier to find the highest power and the lowest power. Okay, so can you write that down? Can you write that down? It's easy to find coefficient for, it's easy to find compare coefficient for highest and lowest power. Can I explain this using this example? Stop talking. Let's start. What is the highest power on the left side? 3. So can you write down by comparing coefficient of x cubed? What's the answer? 2 equals, on the right side, which expansion will give you a cube? I must take ax times x times x, nothing else, right? The rest will not give you cube. Do you agree? Let me repeat. To get cube, the only way is to take ax times x times x. Then I'll get ax cube. The other 8 expansion will not give you a cube, right? Will give some square and some x. So Rachel, over here, a equals to 2. That is why I say it's the easiest. Now, what is the lowest power in this? X to the power of what? 0. Can you tell me for left side, what is x to the power 0? Negative 5. Now, let me highlight for you. To get a, right, I take the first ax times x times x. Ax times x times x, I'll get ax cubed. But for number, let me use another color. For number, what I do is I take minus 5. I will take this number times this number times this number plus c. Am I correct? So let's try. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 times plus 1 is? No. Negative 9. I multiply, right? Multiply. Then plus c. So this will be negative 9 equals to negative 9 plus c. C equals to what? 4. Why? Not plus, times. You see, even for x, right, is ax times x times x, ax cubed. So minus 3 times plus 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 times plus 1 is minus 9. So it's times, times. So if you see, by doing so simple, right, 2 unknown found already. So Jing Feng, don't get it. You cannot listen. Or cannot listen. Okay, what I'm doing here, okay, let me try again, is selective expansion. let me try to help some of us here to understand how I get the A. This is cube. Xinghui, pardon my handwriting. This is cube. So Xinghui, my question is this. If I were to expand this, can I expand these three things? Answer is yes. Do you know? But how many times must I expand? Two terms and two terms will be how many terms? Four terms, right? Four terms and two terms will be how many terms? Eight terms. Altogether, there are eight terms here. Do you see how irritating and scary and disgusting this is? So I don't want to do that. So I do selective. If I only want x cubed, Xinghui, if I only want x cubed, the only way to get x cubed is take ax times x times x. The rest will not give you. Am I correct? So therefore, this is A. To get number, I will get minus 3 times 3 times 1. And hence this. So then I have this. Now, Xinghui got a question. Can I don't listen to this? Answer is yes. You can use your either method 1 or 2 to do. Alright? But, but how about B? I still have a B, right? Then the hybrid comes in. Just sub. But can you sub in x equals to 0? No. So what's the next best number? 1. Don't try minus 1. So 2 plus 5 minus B minus 5. Put in the value of A, please. 2 minus 3. 2 plus 3. 1 plus 1 plus 4. Can you tell me B equals to what? Oh, 8%. Can you work out a calculator, please? And tell me the answer. You all look super upset. Are you okay? No. Negative 6. 8 B equals 8. Let me try. 2 plus 5 minus 5 is 2 minus B, right? This one is what? Negative 6 plus 4. Oh. Everything is negative 6 So, B is equals to 8. Can I show you an alternative method? Huh? Also can. Also can. Also can. Uh-oh. Okay, I check. Right. Sorry everyone. I think I may have made you feel irritated and violent. Now, can I suggest another way to do it? Purely sticking to either expansion and substitution. Now, looking at this, definitely I won't try expansion because I myself will make mistakes somewhere. So the best way is to use substitution. Now let's try substitution. Okay, ignoring this, Xinghui, and yeah. So let's try substitution, putting in values. What number would you like to put? Do you know why negative 3? Xinghui, do you know why negative 3? Why? Make one of the brackets 0, then you have nothing already. Do you understand? Very good. Negative 1 also correct. So let's try. So I will write down, let x be negative 3. Also can. 2 negative 3 cube plus 5 negative, stop there, plus b negative 3 minus 5 equal to 0 plus c. Huh? I said what? I said cannot use negative 3. Huh? Okay. Okay, so this is okay. There is only one problem in this. What's the problem? How many unknown? 2. So, cannot what? I didn't find C what? No, no. Assuming that I don't like this method. I don't like this method. So I start from fresh. So do you see that I got 2 unknown? Negative 14 plus 3b equals C. Now assuming Jingfeng is correct. Next one, let x be what? Negative 1, right? So I try again. Still the same thing. I also think so. Cross reference with this one on top. This one. This one. Can. You can use hybrid. You can. But I assume you don't like this. You just do purely substitution. Purely substitution. Can I have some numbers? Can I have some numbers? Negative 3 plus b equal c. Then I will solve simultaneous. Can follow? Or I use this put inside here, right? So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. I solve simultaneous. Can. In the exam, this is 5 marks. 5 marks is 1 grade. Meaning if you are B3, this correct become A2. You are A2, this correct become A1. This is 1 grade. Jump 1 grade. F9, you'll be FE8. Why minus 1? Because I want this to be 0. Once this is 0, you see that the whole thing is 0. I don't have to do the troublesome expansion. Don't have to. That's why. Huh? Weird. Weird means the expansion wrong. This one wrong. Or this one wrong. You tell me one. This one is with what? Can you press the calculator, help me? First one. What's the answer? Negative 2 You got 2 What's the answer? Help me. Negative 1 you put in. Negative 1 plus 1. What's negative 1 plus 1? 0. 0 times this, 0. 0 times this, 0. So 0 plus C. 0 plus C. Hey, what is this answer, please? First one should be what? Wait. It's 2 minus 2 minus. I use red color. This is 1. So 1 minus 3. X equals to 1, right? So 1 minus 3 is negative 2. This is also wrong. No lah, correct. Because x is 2 what? 2 minus 3 what? This is wrong. This is 1. This is wrong. Sorry. This is wrong. This one should be 1. So what should be the answer? Minus 1 times 4 times 2 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4. Minus 4. Correct what? B equals to 6. Okay. Can you cross out the wrong ones? Okay, can I take a picture and send the WhatsApp group? I highlight what is the mistake here. Right, thank you class.